the parity bit in the message, the receiver is receiving 4 bits. In case of 3-bit message is sending by the sender. Now at the receiver side, there is a parity checker circuit available. This parity checker circuit is checking the received bits whether it is having any error or not. Okay. Now parity checker is also of two types, the even parity checker and the odd parity checker. Okay. And the bit generating by the parity checker is parity error check. Parity error check. This is the bit generating by the checker at a receiver side. Now let's take in the same example, a 3-bit data is sending by the sender to the receiver along with the parity bit, either a even parity or either the odd parity. The checker is receiving the data at a receiver side and checking whether any data loss is there or not. Clear? Now let's take the 4 bits are received at a receiver side. Data is 4 bits of a data. Now 3 bits of a message and the first one is the parity bit. 4 bits are received. 3 bits of data along with the parity bit. Now 4 bits, 4 variables as we are considering, the possible combinations are 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. So 16 possible combination values will be here. We have to complete. And so on. Up to 1, 1, 1, 1. Complete the truth table. Okay. Now when the data is received at receiver side, now the parity error check bit is generating by the parity error check. Odd parity error check bit is generating by odd parity checker. Okay. Now we'll see the first even parity checker. Now the even parity checker is checking the data along with the parity bit and it is generating the parity error check bit as a 1 if error occurs. Parity error check is equal to, the parity error check bit is equal to 1 if error occurs and it is 0 if there is no error. Now when the 1 and when the 0 is going to be generated by the checker. Now 1. For even parity checker, the parity checker is generating a value 1 if the even number of ones are received. Clear? The parity even parity checker is generating the parity error check bit is a 1 if an error occurs. Means it is expected that the even number of ones need to be received, but it is receiving the odd number of ones. Clear? Now we'll see. In the first case, the number of ones received in the 4 bits are 0, 0, 0, 0. What is expected? It is expected the even number of ones to be received. Yes, even number of ones are available in the 0, means no odd number. So the actual data is received at a receiver side. So the even parity error check bit, it generates the output as a 0. Clear? Now for the next value 0 0 0 1. Now it is expected that the number of ones should be received as even in the even parity checker. But the number of ones available in the message are 1. 1 is an odd number, means there is a data loss. Then if the data loss is available, then the parity checker, even parity checker is generating a error, and that error is indicated with the parity error check bit as a 1. Clear? Now the next one 0 0 1 0. Number of ones received as a 1. 1 is an odd number, but as it is even parity checker, and here you can see the first bit is a 0. 0 means what? The number of ones available in the data are even number. You can look at to the first bit, which is a parity bit sent by the sender. The number of ones available in the data are 1. As it is a 0 means actual data mein do 1 hai na. But here you can see only 1 is available, means there is one bit data loss, either at this place or either at this place. So the error is generated, and when the wrong data is receiving at receiver side, the even parity generator is generating a error by the bit PEC is equal to 1. Similarly to the next data, now the parity bit is a 0. The number of bits received at a receiver side are a even. 1 1, that is a 2, and it is a even number. So the correct data is received and it is indicated with the value 0. Similarly to the next, the bit is a 0 means the number of ones available in the actual data are even, but in the 4 bits the even number of bits are not receiving. The odd number of ones are available, means there is a error. Error is indicated with the 1. Now for the next data 1 1, even number of a data, and here it is 0 means the correct data is received, so the indicated with a 0. Similarly to the next input 1 1, and the bit is also 0, so it is a 0. Then again 1 1 1, odd number of ones, and here it is a 0, means it is expected that even number of ones should be available into the data, but odd number of ones are available, so there is a error, and so on. So complete the remaining truth table. Do you clear how to find out the truth table for the checker, even parity checker? Yes, all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now similarly the odd parity checker, same process. For odd parity checker, what we need to do? We need to check same concept. If the error is there, then the parity error check bit will be 1. If there is no error, the parity error check bit will be 0. Now for the same data 0 0 0, number of ones available are 0. It is a odd number? No. But here it is a 0 is a given, means it is expected that the number of ones should be odd. So there is a error. Similarly for the next data 1 is odd number of ones, and here it is a 0 is given, means the actual data is received, so it is a 0. For the next data 1, actual data is received. If the number of ones are even, but in the odd parity checker, if the bit is a 0, even bits are received, means it is a error. Similarly for the next, exactly opposite operation of the even parity checker. Similarly 0 1 0 0, odd number of ones are available in the data, so it is a 0. Similarly 1 1, now even number of ones are receiving, but it is expected that in the odd parity checker the data should be in the odd format, so it is a error, and so on. So similarly complete the remaining values. Do you clear how to find out the even parity checker and odd parity checker?
Yes, ma'am.
Is anybody having doubt in this? Is anybody having doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Exactly opposite bits of the even and odd parity are going to be generated. If you'll observe this truth table, you can get that if the Odd parity is a 1, even will be 0. If odd is a 0, it is a 1. If it is a 0, if it is 1. If it is 1, it will be 0. 0 hai to 1, 1 hai to 0 and so on. Similarly, here in the parity checker bit also, if the even parity checker bit is 0, odd parity bit will be 1. अगर यहाँ पे 1 1 है तो यहाँ पे 0 0 and so on. Opposite operation is going to be check here. 1 है तो 0 check कर रहा है ना वो. Clear? So this is the parity checker. Now what is the next task? Design and implement the parity checker. Now similarly to the even parity generator and odd parity generator, what you have to do now? You have to find out the expression for even parity checker and then you have to implement that by using the logic circuit. After plotting the truth table values for the even parity error check bit, now my K-map look like this. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we'll try for the octet. Octet is not possible. We'll try for a chord. Chord is also not possible. We'll try for the pairs. Pair is also not possible. So all are isolated. 1. Now we'll find out the expression for this one. It is A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, C bar, D plus A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus A bar, P, C bar, D bar plus A plus A, B, C bar, D plus A, B, C, D bar plus A, B bar, C bar, C. Now we can minimize the expression. Now to minimize the expression, now we'll identify the common values. Now to identify the common values, we'll find out the terms. Now the terms will be A bar from the first two terms. Now I can take A bar, B bar as common. The terms will be C bar, D plus CD bar. Similarly, from the second two terms, A bar, B, C bar, D bar plus A bar, plus C, D plus from these two terms, AB I can take common, C bar, D plus CD bar plus from these two terms, now I can take AB bar as a common, C bar, D bar plus C, D. Now the expression again I can rewrite. Now we know that A bar B plus is nothing but the A XOR B. So I can rewrite the expression like this: A bar B bar C XOR D plus A bar B C. Now we know that A bar B bar plus AB is nothing but XOR XNOR, which is nothing but CD not of C XOR D. Similarly, now I can rewrite the expression AB C bar D, CD bar is nothing but C XOR D plus AB bar is nothing but C D XOR. Now the expression I can rewrite. Now I know that A bar B plus AB bar is nothing but the XOR operation. So I can rewrite now for these two expressions, A bar B plus AB bar. Similarly, A bar B plus AB bar. Now I can rewrite the expression A bar B bar and AB bar, which is nothing but A XOR B, not and A XNOR B. So collectively now I can rewrite the expression A XOR B XOR C XOR D. Now I can rewrite the expression like this. And this is the minimized expression of the even parity checker. This is the logic diagram of even parity checker. I hope all you are clear the concept of even parity checker. Now similarly we have to identify